So in this video, we will discuss U substitution, but to have a better understanding of U substitution, we first need to know these prerequisites. 1. Derivatives. 2. Basic integration properties, such as the how-tos of integrating definite and indefinite integrals. 3. The chain rule, and 4. Antiderivatives. From this definition, we see that in order to identify when to use U sub, you need to identify what the inside function and outside function will be. In this definition, f of x is outside and g of x is inside. Always do a U sub if you can. If you can't, consider integration by parts. Integration by parts is whenever you have two functions multiplied together, one that you can integrate and one that you can differentiate.
A strategy is to try to play it out in your head and see which one will work better. The best way to get better would be to practice at each type. Then you start to think, hey, this looks like a U sub, or maybe integrating by parts would work better for this one. Take a look at these problems. We know that to integrate a problem, we will use straightforward reasoning to find the derivatives, but with other cases, it's not always that simple. The problem on the right, you don't use U sub, but let's say we have the problem on the left. It wouldn't be as simple as writing the antiderivative of that problem with plus c at the end. Instead, we would look for a term in the expression that if we were to take the derivative of it, it would be the same as another term in the expression or a multiple of it. So in our problem, we have 9 minus x squared, which the derivative will be negative 2x, and that will be a multiple of 4x. Then we just substitute. Let's look at another problem. We'll let u equal 2x plus 1. This means du is 2dx and dx is du over 2. Now make the substitution and put it into simpler terms and take the antiderivative. But we're not done yet. We now have to plug our u back into the equation and add our constant. Make sure you don't forget the constant. All indefinite integrals will have them. Okay, problem number 2. Do we even have to use U sub for this problem? If so, try to see if you can find out what u and du would be. If you guess yes, that's correct. You do have to use U sub for this problem. Here are some common misconceptions. The first one is forgetting c. Remember that all indefinite integrals will have a constant. We can also use the wrong u. Using an incorrect term may still get you an answer, but it won't be the correct one. Lastly, forgetting bounds. It's important that you don't forget to solve for these when you have a definite integral. Well, there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching, and we hope that the next time you use U substitution, that you sub correctly.